Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Rajya Sainik Board kabla shonge ke jingelang ha ka arpunyo tre urumpang arjar arpo kala shemi karai bantai no ya ka Sainik Guest House hadian bak sorkar jela kala a ya ke jingminjur ya ka nega Guest House antai ke jinglun ka wasau point nyopu praklur tengka ya ka ba ansapen kre na dong sedong dekat nat PWD jong sorkar jela bat ya ka ba ansapha ka sorkar jela na ka bentaban a ya ke jingminjur u Colonel Gautam Kumar Rai ha ka jinga keren bak Batesi TV ulai thuru balapan kha ya ka Zila Sainik Welfare Board na ka benta ka tura ka ban a jing shakri sipai bala shong thaj ha ki Santlik district jong rilum garo bat ya ka balapan trekam pura mentah.
The main point that was discussed today was the construction of Sainik Rest House with CHD facility and amenities for the veterans, including ECHS facilities. And the Honorable Chief Minister and the President was very kind enough, who has asked the Finance Department to ensure the project is approved for the budget that has been estimated by the PWD building. The Zila Sainik Welfare Office at Tura, which a very long pending case, has been opened, and this is basically looking after all the 5 districts of Garo Hills, and our veterans are being looked after very well after the particular office has been established at Tura. The only problem that we are facing for employment of the staff in the Zila Sainik Welfare Office was not passing of the service rules of the Rajya Sainik Board, which the Honorable Chief Minister has again directed that the thing must be approved at the earliest. And we are still going strong for raising of one ecological battalion territorial army who will basically looking after the erosion aspect as well as forestry aspect of the state. But we are not going in a big way. We just want one battalion headquarter with one company. And the Forest Department has said that now this will be under the ambit of National Green Tribunal, and they're soon going to have a meet, and this point will be projected by our Forest Department to the NGT. Then all the funding and all that would be central, and there will be no burden to the state. We are also trying to establish a science school in Jayanta Hills. And the Education Department has been told to approach Sainik School Society in New Delhi to see whether the area of Rajya and Shangpong, which we have recceived, is suitable. So once these people approach, they come and they give us their input, then we can go ahead with this particular establishment of Sainik School. We are also trying to engage 2 welfare organizers, one for Bagmara and one for Tura, keeping view the distance from Shillong and Tura itself. The people who are from the Jayanta Hills and all that will be looked after by the welfare organizer, who will be placed at Joy. And the South Garo Hill area would be looked after by the Zila welfare organizer, who will be stationed at Bagmara. And the meeting is closed with a very positive note, and I am sure that this time the agenda points that were discussed today, most of it will see the light of the day before the next meeting. Rest house, it's about 4.87 crore. And in this particular construction of rest house, Sainik Rest House, 50% of the cost would be refunded by the Kendriya Sainik Board, that is the Central MOD, Ministry of Defence. So only half the money will be invested by the state government. As per the last estimate, for one battalion headquarters, one company would work out to about 32 odd crore for a period of 5 years. So now, even that, in case the NGT takes on that particular chapter, then like what the Honorable Chief Minister and the President had said, the financial burden will shift from the state government to the NGT, because they are the one who's trying to take care of the ecology of the country as such.